Begin by finding a sacred, comfortable space. Let your body settle. Close your eyes. Rest your hands where they feel natural. Breathe. Ground yourself in this moment. Inhale deeply through the nose. Hold. Exhale through the mouth. Let the breath guide you in stillness. Inhale again, calling in peace. Exhale, releasing what no longer serves. Feel the earth beneath you, solid, wise, ancient. The same earth has held your ancestors for generations. Feel her holding you now. Now imagine the rhythm of a distant drum, the heartbeat of the earth. With each beat, feel yourself going deeper. You are safe. You are surrounded by spirit. A soft light begins to glow around you. Amber, like the rising sun over the savannah. This is the light of your ancestral guides. It wraps around you like cloth, vibrant with stories and protection. Feel this light lifting you gently, carrying you back through time. You are now standing before a great baobab tree, the tree of life. Its roots go deep into the earth. Its branches stretch into the heavens. This sacred tree is a bridge between worlds. At the base of the tree, a doorway opens, woven from light, mist, and memory. The ancestors stand beside you. You feel their presence, strong, warm, and familiar. They nod in blessing. They say, "We walk with you. What you seek is already within." Step through the doorway. You are now entering a past life, a time your spirit remembers, though your mind may have forgotten. What do you see? Are you on Earth? In thick forests? Or by sacred waters? What are you wearing? What name do they call you? What is your role in the village, the kingdom? Let your memories come. Do not force, just receive. Perhaps you were a healer, a warrior, a midwife, a diviner. Perhaps you knew the language of the stars or the spirits of the river. What are the lessons from that time? What emotions arise? Is there someone there you recognize from this life? Now, gently ask your past self, what do you want me to know? Listen to your soul. The ancestors speak again. Carry this wisdom forward. You are the living altar. It is time to return. Thank your past self. Thank the spirits and elders. The baobab doorway reappears, calling you home. Step back through. You rise gently, carried again by the amber light. The drumbeat slows. Your breath deepens. With each count, you return to the present moment. One, bringing the wisdom with you. 2, feeling the body. 3. Carrying ancestral peace. 4. Feeling grounded in now. 5. Wiggling your fingers and toes. 6. Returning with love. 7. Slowly awakening. 8. Fully in your breath. Eyes gently opening. 9. You are here. 10. Inhale deeply. And exhale. Welcome back, child of the ancestors. You are held. You are guided. You are whole.